looks like someone named Debbie's been shopping again.
Well, actually, the shopping haul happened about a month ago, so I'm just now getting to show it. But this item is from my last shopping haul, and I forgot to show it. And this is from Kohl's, and it's super cute. It's a little cloche, so I'm planning on making a really cute cupcake, faux cupcake, and then putting on display in here. So we'll see. But this was a Kohl's item. The rest of the stuff.
And it says Happy Holidays.
Oh, yeah.
If you turn a little bit more this way. No, the other way, other way. Perfect, right there. Super cute. Thank you. Now go to the next.
You're welcome. So that's from Kohl's. Now the rest of the stuff is Hobby Lobby stuff. So not these scissors. So I got some ribbons, and I made myself a bow with these two here. So that's why it's already open. I thought these are super cute for my Candyland.
And they look great together.
Theme, yeah. So that's what I did. I made a bow with both of these. And then I got this one because I like the edge of it, how it's kind of feels soft.
And ruffly and stuff?
Yeah, it's just real pretty. So I thought like snowy looking.
Okay.
So I don't know if I'll get a chance to use it now because I've got all this other stuff I gotta do. But
well, you know,
there's always next year.
That's what I always say. There's always next year.
So then I got my little sign. It says it's a wonderful life. And so I have that. I had it hanging on my wall just a few minutes ago, but I thought it was really pretty, and it was 50% off. So I think it was like $13.
Is that what you paid for it?
That's what I paid for it. Yeah, $13. But it's really
I don't know if it'd be much cheaper if you made it. You know what I mean? When you start buying.
You could make it, but I mean, why when it's already done? I'll just pay the $13. I don't have time. But I would never have paid the $24. So.
Yeah, 24 is too much.
Yeah, so it's really cute. So that's that. And then I got these they're the shatterproof little snowmen. And I had a plan, for this year. I was gonna make something. I don't want to give away my secret, but
it's next year.
It'll be next year now, but they're super cute, and so it was gonna be something that we were both gonna do together. But we were just running out of time, so next year we'll do it next year.
And by then, maybe Grandma will be more self-confident with DIY projects.
Yes. And then I got my icicle. It says Garland. Anyways, I had these little niches, and they're not done. Who knows when they're gonna get done? They've been like this for a long time. But so I try to hide like the raw edges of the wood, and so my husband can finish them. So I thought this would be perfect. So I'm planning on doing that. So hopefully in the next week I'll get that done. And the reason why I haven't done it yet, because I couldn't find it, because there's so many boxes and bags full of stuff. I looked and looked and looked, and then last night I told my husband, I'm like, guess what? I found that stuff that I was looking for. He goes, oh, where did you find it? I was like, well, actually, I found it when I was looking for something else. So now I found it, and I can finish doing my little niches here. So,
So we'll try to get back over here next week and get that
yeah.
done.
So next week I should have the 2 little niches done. And then here's little Santa Claus.
Let me see if I can get a little closer to them. Oh, they're so cute.
And they're fabric.
Mm-hmm.
And they're really cute. It looks like it's what is that stuff called? It doesn't
Felt?
say. No, it's not felt. It's that scratchy material, like a potato sack.
Okay.
Well, whatever that is, that's what it looks like, and they just painted on it.
Oh, okay.
But they're really cute, and I thought, again, I was thinking the kids were all coming over, and they would like these kinds of things, but
save it for next year.
And then I thought.
And the thing is, they'll be older next year, and they'll really appreciate it more. Really, they will.
Right. And then I thought I got 2 of these, but I just looked at my package, and there's only 1. But I thought this would be really cute for the Candyland theme area. So
That looked pretty around a great big candle too.
Yeah, that's what it looks like it could be, but I wish I had two. Oh well.
Well, you never
We'll
know.
make
Maybe
do.
next year you can find another one.
Or maybe when they have their after sale Christmas stuff, I can get a matching one. Probably be the same price. I don't know. But anyways, and then I got these two little hats because again had a project in mind, and the hats were super cute. And I thought, you know, I can't make them this cute for the price. And I believe these were $3.99, so they were $2.
And you know, you could also use them for St. Patty's Day too. No? No? I think they look cute.
No, because then I'd have to take the red. I don't want to mess with
Well,
them.
I didn't say take the red off, but I mean, it's sort of like...
It has to be green for St. Patrick's Day.
Okay.
So no, it's going to go for another project next year.
Okay.
I got these little wreaths.
Very
I was
cute.
going to put them on my houses, but when I put them next to the house, these are a little too big. So it'll be for some project. And then again, I needed little lights, and these are way too big. So they will be for another project one day.
Well, there's always next year, like Mom always keeps saying.
Yes, like that. And these were $3.99, so they were $2. Oh, cute. And this is so cute, my little snowman.
Oh yeah, let me look at
Just
that.
let it snow.
It's super cute.
And this one was $5, $4.99, so it was $2.50.
And you know that hat sort of goes with those other two hats.
Yeah.
Maybe you could put that in the center and put each hat on each side of him,
Yeah.
along with some other stuff.
I don't know. We'll see. But he's super cute, and you know, for $2.50.
Couldn't make it any
Yeah.
cooler.
And then I got this because I needed this little garland. It was $2. Well, I feel like $2.50, $2. This is a lot better, but you know, I needed this. So, and then I got these, and we're gonna use these in an upcoming post because I've transformed something, and I'm gonna use this for the topper.
That sounds like a wonderful.
Aren't those so cute?
Love them, love them. Can't wait to see what you do with them.
Yes. And unfortunately, they only had one of these. One. So I guess I'll have to make my own out of clay.
Hey, that could be the centerpiece and make a bunch of smaller ones.
Yeah, because I could do that.
You can now. You know.
I know how. And so this was $1.50. So, and then these are they're cute because they're iridescent, and again, you know, it's kind of whimsical. So Candyland, I was thinking like Whoville.
And you know something, they will look great in a centerpiece too.
So I have these.
You know how Grandma loves centerpieces.
Yeah, but they ain't gonna be used this year.
There's next year.
And
Now this is my favorite piece you bought.
yes, so cute. And this is really real glass. Well, not glass, but plastic beads. But they're really cute. So I have an idea for this. I don't want to say.
Don't say.
But I really had high hopes to get this one done, but it's just not happening. So unfortunately,
There's always next Christmas. We're gonna have an awesome. I think we're starting Christmas the day after Easter. I'm not. What am I saying?
Easter.
Halloween.
I'm like, whoa.
Okay, right after Halloween.
Yes, definitely. I don't know. I might start doing some crafts before that because I got a lot of stuff I gotta do. I'm running out of
Well,
time
what I
again.
mean is we need to have it put out the first day after Halloween.
Yeah, we'll start them. And then I got these for my little Candyland corner vignette, whatever you want to call it. But so again, when I went, because I was gone on vacation when the sale started, the 50% off sale. So when I got to Hobby Lobby, of course, everything was picked over. So I only got one of, you know, like I would have liked to get 2 or 3 of these, but didn't have them. So now everything's getting too far for me, so you're gonna have to show the camera down. So then I got this here, so cute.
Okay, that's my second favorite thing that you
Your
got.
second favorite.
I think the hat is my first. This one right here. And this is the next one that I really, really love.
Yeah, he's so cute. And then I got a little box of chocolates. Let me move this thing so you can see it. Oh, I guess it's kind of...
Now those are fake, right?
Yeah, they're
Okay.
fake.
But that look cute on a little
Yeah, it's
display.
an ornament. So...
Look great.
But see, what I'm thinking, you know, when I'm buying some of this stuff, I'm like, I'm going to use these as a model for me to try and make my own, you know. So maybe, you know, like these little donuts, maybe I could try to make them myself later on down the road. So I always have to have something, you know, it's nice to have a picture, but if you have it in person, you can examine better what it looks like, and then, you know.
Think of how you can recreate.
Yeah, because this... I really think I can do this with the
I'm sure those
with that
little
model magic.
Since you did get some gingerbread similar to that, you could just get a little container like that and make yourself one.
Yeah, they actually, there's a video out there that shows somebody making this. They got a little pan at the Dollar Tree. And this one was $2.50.
Maybe it's just as cheap to just buy it like that.
That's what I'm saying. Sometimes you want to make things, but in the end, when you start thinking about how much it costs you to just buy the individual things and then put it together, it's like, I don't have enough time. Let me just buy that. So
I mean, $2.50, and that has everything decorated, the tray, 4 little cookies. If you bought all that stuff individual, it would have cost you more than $2. It really would.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's why I'm like, well, you have to look at, you know, the cost and your time, because your time is money too. So, but if you have lots of time, then...
And believe it or not, this is my 3rd favorite thing you bought. I love those hangers. They are so cute.
Yeah, very decorative. And they have them in gold as well, but I like silver. And I was telling you earlier that when I made the parfaits, if I wanted to hang them on the tree, I could have just stuck the end of this into the the spackle, and it'll dry, and then I'll have my holder on there. So, and I got this idea from someone online, and when I saw the design of it, I was like, oh, I got to get those. So,
well, if you run across any, because it's only $2, that's pretty cheap.
And it was $1 because I got it 50% off.
Wow.
So
Give me 4 or 5. If you run across
well,
it.
it'll have to be an after Christmas sale.
No, I mean if you run across it this year or next year, it doesn't matter.
Oh, yeah. And then I just got some little candy canes to embellish some of the stuff I was making. But they're a little too big because the ones that I needed the smaller ones, and they did not have the smaller ones when I went. And then the last item is this cute little tree, bottle brush tree.
Very cute.
And let me see it was $7.99, so it was $4.
It's not bad.
But I like the color on it.
I like it too. It keeps them with the candy cane theme.
And it's kind of sparkly here, like the same as on this. So
yeah,
it's just, it all works, and eventually it will get put together, but just not this Christmas.
Well, you know, a lot of people, I'm done almost with whatever I'm going to do for Christmas myself. I think we're both tired. It's been a very stressful last couple of months.
Yeah.
And I think we both just need to rest.
I agree. And then we can resume next year and do, you know, things even better. I just didn't want to do stuff
that looks bad,
half done, you know, and just to put something up. I just didn't want to do that. So I thought, you know what, let me just step back and we will just resume next year. That's all.
Last year in October, I took 3 weeks off. I got burnout, got so exhausted because I pushed myself a lot. And sometimes you just have to say, okay, I've done enough. I got to rest.
Right.
Well, I guess that's all we have to share today. I hope you enjoyed this shopping haul that Debbie did and shared with us. And hugs and kisses to all of you. See you in the next video.
Bye-bye. Oh, I gave it sideways.
That's all right. I can't get the machine to stop either. Come over here. Come over here and turn this thing off.
It won't stop?
It will not stop.
There's a glitch in it right now.
I know.
Well,